I showed you how do you get a crosstab. Let me show you this time that how do you get a chi-square statistics for a crosstab, and how do you get degree of freedom, how do you get chi-square, how do you get p-value, and many more stuff pertaining to crosstab. For that, this time we will be using SAS help data. SAS provides you lots of data that you can play with. SAS help has many dataset. Out of that, I'll be using the car dataset. I'll just show you car dataset. How does it look like? It has like 15 columns: make, model, type, origin, all those things. So let me just go ahead and first print some 10 records to see it, because as I told you, the direct table view is not so clear in the video, but this becomes very handy. So you had make, model, type, origin, all those things. You have cylinders, horsepower, mileage, highway, weight, wheelbase length, all those things. Let's go ahead and see how many distinct type of cylinder and origin are there. So just see it. So if you think of among cylinder, most of the models are either 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder or 8-cylinder. There is just one for 3-cylinder, there are few for 5-cylinder, there are 10 and 12 cylinder are rare, there are 2 which is missing. So if you think of, for our purpose, probably we should just focus on 4, 6 and 8, because here whatever you are seeing, these are more of like error. Just 2 or 1, when most of the cylinders are 4, 6, 8, even if there is one particular auto which has 3-cylinder, you can't derive any statistical output from here because it is just one car is of this kind. So we'll just focus on 4, 6 and 8. And among origin, you have all the 3 categories well populated: Asia, Europe and USA. So now let's take a look that, is there a case that, a particular category is more prevalent in a particular origin, in a particular, I should say, geography. So let's take a look. So we are going to do the proc-frac again. Table, cylinder and origin. We had called no call. So don't give me column percentage, no row percentage, no frequency percentage. But you take a look here. I have asked give me chi-square this time. So this is an addition. Also I have truncated my data. I have told that give me only for cylinder equal to 4 or 6 or 8. Now if you run it this time, it will produce the table as well as the chi-square. So it has, I have not selected it correctly. It has to be. So think of what it has done. It has produced that contingency table. You have 3 row and 3 columns. So obviously what is the degree of freedom? R minus 1, C minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. So degree of freedom has come 4. The chi-square statistics is 37.91 and the p-value is much smaller than even 0.001. So it means that obviously, these cylinders are not, equally distributed in these 3 geographies. In USA, take a look. In USA you have 145, right? And you have majority here, 67. In Asia you have 155. You have very few 8-cylinder. You have a lot of 4-cylinder. So obviously, in different geographies, different cylinder cars are liked more or used more. You have sample size also 413. So how many records it has been used here? It has given you chi-square, phi square, Cramer's V, lot of things.